Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming network readiness. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and join the same Wi-Fi as your target display. Once done, unlock your Nothing Phone 1 and pull down Quick Settings. Make sure the cast tile is visible. If not, edit tiles and add it. Tap Cast to scan for nearby receivers. You'll see available devices listed. Select the correct TV or Chromecast. This begins the session. The phone negotiates a secure connection and prepares your screen for mirroring. After you tap the device, your Nothing Phone 1 negotiates codecs and permissions. You must accept any prompt that appears on the TV or receiver to complete pairing. Once paired, check the phone's notification shade for cast controls, stop, pause, and settings. If your receiver offers resolution or audio options, switch them now to balance quality versus performance. Make sure background apps aren't streaming audio that conflicts. Continue using apps normally. Most media apps will send video directly while mirroring the rest. To end casting, tap the cast notification or open Quick Settings and stop the session. This cleanly releases the receiver. If casting fails, first restart Wi-Fi on both devices, then reboot the TV or Chromecast and the Nothing Phone 1. Once done, if problems persist, switch router bands, move to 5 GHz for less interference or 4 GHz for range, and reattempt pairing. One key tip: temporarily disable VPNs and battery savers because they often block discovery and prevent stable casting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.